Hey, here we go with another Stitch Fix unboxing. I am excited to open this box because it actually showed up 5 days late. It was supposed to be here 5 days ago, and I guess usually I get an email. We all get emails saying that your Stitch Fix is on its way. When I didn't get that email, I looked into it, and it had been pushed back 5 days from my date. So I contacted customer service, and they said that my shipment was delayed because the return was delayed getting back to them. So I guess I know I didn't. It wasn't delayed on my part. So I guess if your return gets stuck in the mail somewhere, or USPS is moving slow, um, I guess they push back your next one, because I get mine back to back to back. Probably, so it ends up in like 2 a month. Um, yeah, so okay, let's get to this one. Box unopened, scissors. You guys know the routine. There's envelope. Here's the information, price list. Here's the binder. Ooh, what do my colors look like? They look pretty color. I don't know why I always turn it to the opposite side, like it's gonna look. And actually, the colors do look different on this side, don't they? Like this is all darker. That was weird, wasn't it? I see 4 colors here and something else here. Okay, well, something must be pushed further this way. So I'm trying to think what I asked for before I go in this. I want to say I still asked for white pants because I haven't found a pair yet that I really like. But maybe I didn't ask for them. Probably I asked for some blouses for work. I said no jeans. I'm pretty sure I said no jackets. So we'll see. First item looks familiar. Like, I don't suppose I've gotten this before. I don't think I have. It is a very cute little dress. It's red, white, and blue. It's more like navy and purple. And I like polka dots. So polka dots work for me. Alright. This is item 1. A dress. And this is a top. Stretchy top. Oh, it's like that. I can almost put this on for you guys now. I'm gonna wait. But yeah, I think it does that. So that might be, let me find out if this is a skirt. Suppose it's a skirt. No, I think it's a top. I think it's a top. Yes, Bayless one shoulder knit top. This might be kind of cute on. Okay. This is a dress that feels very not formal, but I can't think of the word I'm looking for. So like this. Then the elastic waistband, and it's pretty long. Okay. So another dress, a blouse. You know, it's funny trying to figure out the front, the back, the side, the top. I have pulled the top out before and had it upside down. So this is a cold shoulder. very loose, very flowy. Off the bat, it's not my style, but you know how it is when you try something on. You never know until you try it on. And we have a pair of pants. You know what? I think I did ask for a nice pair of pants. I think I did ask. I don't remember. So these are navy. Let me see the back. And it's got cuffs. Okay. Alright, we're going to try the pants on first because I can leave the same top on that I have on, so it may make it a little easier. Here are the pants. Alright. I don't like them. The material doesn't feel very nice. Very, the material, I don't know. They feel very, like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. So anyway, they're the cuffs. The bottom, they're decent length. They're okay, but they don't have a great fit. I don't like all this around the knees, what they're doing. And I don't know, lot of space and stuff going on in here. Yeah, see how they look? You can see they're like, oh, they're kind of like too big. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go on to the next item. Here is the blouse, the coat shoulder blouse. Is it better? Okay. It's okay. I do like it a little bit better on. It's orange with some green and some yellow. I don't know, it's kind of like just an okay blouse. Yeah, not necessarily really something that I'm looking for right now. Next item. Alright, here I am with the next item. It's a dress, and I'm really disappointed with this dress because you fill out your profile and you say what your height is. My height is 4'11", and this dress is so long, it was just a waste to send it. And so here it is. I'm stepping all over it. Okay, come on, camera, focus in. It has a split. I mean, the dress is pretty. But look how, I mean, can you tell how long this dress is? I'm kind of salty about that. Why would you send me a dress this long? Now, I understand some dresses are long, maxi dresses. But this is not a maxi. Well, maybe it is called a maxi dress. But to me, a maxi dress has a different flow and feel to it, where you can even tie it up at the bottom, which is what I do if I ever wear one. But this is not a tie-up kind of dress. It has, can you tell this kind of material? It's see-through. It's very, I don't know what this kind of material is called. But it's not the kind that you would tie up. So, alright. We have another dress and a top to try on. Woo! I did it again. I had the TV playing. Forgot to pause the TV before I came back to the video. So, this is the next dress. And this is kind of cute. See the coloring. You can see all of that. Alright, this is a cute dress. Nice, easy, flowy. Probably look really cute with some sandals, and it's not, you know, exposing too much hair. Fits nice. I like this one. The only thing about this one is I don't need it, but I like it. I could use it, but I don't know if I love it. So, opinions, please. Here is the one shoulder blue top. So you stick your shoulder in here. This doesn't have a for the shoulder, so my bra is kind of tucked down in here, so that's why it looks lumpy. This is kind of cute. Alright, this is it. I don't know. It took me a little bit of time to get used to all of this, but it's kind of cute. I especially like it because it's different. This ties. It's not. Oh, I wonder, does it tighten? No, it doesn't really tighten. Alright, well, kind of like it okay. Alright, let's go over prices. This didn't feel like it was my same stylist, but I have no reason to think why it wouldn't be, but I don't know. Just the items I got, they're not my usual style. So it was my usual stylist. I'm not gonna read you all of this. I mean, does anybody really want to hear all of this? Okay, I'm gonna read it. Hi Tia, I loved watching your unboxing of your last fix. Thank you. I am so sorry that there weren't any keepers in your last fix, and I hope that your box today is more tailored to you and your style. Since you mentioned you would love to see some spring pants in your fix, okay, I opted for these tribal pants that are perfect for dressing up or down. Pair with the cut from the cloth blouse and wedges for a boho-inspired look to welcome in the warmer weather, or go casual with a tee and denim jacket and tennies to go brunch on a sunny Saturday. I noted that you like the style of this marketing spruce top. The marketing spruce top, I think that's the one I have on right now. Is that the only marketing spruce on here? Yeah, so it's this one. And I was thrilled when it popped up for you. It does tend to run big, so I went ahead and sized down for you. Paired with some white skinnies. I bet that would look nice with some white skinnies. Paired with some white skinnies and lace-up sandals for a romantic, chic look. Happy spring. Hugs and kisses, Courtney S. So, yeah, I could see this blouse. I could see this blouse with some white pants. I think that would set it off nicely. Yeah, I think this might be a keeper because it's so different, and I have to do better bra fitting with this. Alright, let's look at the prices. Where's my paper? Okay. The Leota Lula jersey dress is this one. It was in a small petite and it's $88. So that's definitely not an $88 dress to me. It's cute. $88, no. I think I would pay more like 48. Yeah, yeah. Okay, the market is Spruce, which is this top that I have on is the Bayless one shoulder knit top. This is in a small. She did say she sized down because they run big. And this is $44. The Tribal FIA cuffed trousers. These are navy. They're size 2 and they're $58. Then we have the Fate Ruby Maxi dress. Navy, although you know it's multicolored, but it's navy. Small petite, $78. And this is a petite. So usually petite stuff will run, you know, shorter. So, but yeah, it's even with some heels, I wouldn't have been able to do this one. So, yep, like I said, that one's $78. And then the top, which is the last item, this is the cut from the cloth Adriana cold shoulder blouse. This is $58. So no, I did not love this blouse. $58 worth. I tend to pay less in the summertime for blouses because it's a blouse and it's summer and it's not that much to it. In the wintertime, when you're getting your nice heavy sweaters, your long sleeve blouses and tops and stuff, I see how they could be a little bit more. But, you know, this material, no. I can get a dress for $58. So yeah, I didn't love this box, but I do like this top. So this top was $44. If I keep anything, it may be this top. So please, people, let me know what you think. And that is it. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to do my boxings, you know, as they come in every 2 weeks. So we'll see. Thanks. I did not tell you guys my total. Okay, so I hear my dogs barking. You don't want to hear my dogs barking. So the total for all of these items, the 5 items, were $326. Is $326. It ain't gonna change. You buy all 5, you get the 25% discount, which is $81.50, bringing my total to $244.50. So that's if I get all the items. And you guys know I have the $49 a year box price. So I kind of missed that because if I had paid my $25 and then this was $44, I just had to pay the difference. So that would be a no-brainer. I would definitely get it. But we'll see. Thanks again for watching and let me know what you think. Bye.